Okay, so I've got the inverted relief going of the nativity scene, and so I changed the file again and changed the speeds, and I'm going to go ahead and carve it here on Marty. This is my 4040 Pro. I took off the axis, the 4th axis rotary, just so we can kind of carve some of these right now. Kind of cool. Ready to go. Last time I just barely did it. I had the depth of cut way too deep. Let's try it again. See if it's happening. Yeah, it doesn't like that. I wish that there was a way to be able to adjust the speeds on the offline controller. That'd be really nice. And then we're going to go ahead and
do a reveal, dude.
wow, that's cool. If any of you guys have any recommendations on how to clear up some of that chatter and screeching,